Welcome to GetonAgain CAD online lessons. Today is teach you make suit. Draw a horizontal line. Add a point. Click F9. Draw color lines. Draw a parallel line. Modify this line. This number change to 3. Click F9. Click on the transaction point. Left button select line. Left click. Right click. Connect. Use it copy a line. Left click. Right click. Left click. Left click. Create a layer. Right click to add layer tool. Left click line. Right click to select layer. Draw a line. Left click light to hide layer. Use it to modify neckline. Right click finish. Draw a line. Compare the lengths of these two lines and record. Record the back neck. Use angle line to add a line. Left click line. Left click point. Left click green line. Use it rotate and copy line. Left click line then right click. Left click center point and end point. Right width. Draw a line. Modify. Draw angle line. Draw a line. Connect. Use it to modify the color. Click the symmetry line. Select lines that need to be modified. Right-click Finish select. Left-click Modify lines. Right-click Finish. Add a line used to stand the color. Modify the line. Use it copy color. Set line layer. Use it rotate lines. Click Shift Change to only rotate function. Use it to shorten the line length. Select all lines and right-click. Click the Fix line. Click the Modify line. Right-click here. Tick. Right number. Tick. Again. Move them. Tick. Thanks for watching.